What?
Cops leaning in the window to give the ticket to him.
There's somebody deleting it. It's still raining.
Missed.
You what?
Just the light missed. Missed.
I can put like that. You know when you live on the phone, you can't put the phone upside down. You have to always put it up. What is this highway? Highway 40?
The cop's on this person's tail.
Where? There's a cop?
Right there.
Oh. Oh yeah. There's the cop.
Get out of his way.
So you're gonna follow?
I'm doing the voice.
Nice to drive if no traffic, right?
Brought the talking stuff.
Why did you? Yeah, that's what I. When I come home from the office, I said, I keep on thinking about that, telling you that glow.
Got it out.
And then when I come home, because you know, I saw the cut and the, you know, it's gone and I forget. I'm so glad you think of it. Even though we are already left.
Got it. Got the light bulb for the bathroom. Got your screen for the tub.
You got it?
Not tub.
The dryer?
Dryer.
Good job.
Nobody lost a mattress.
No, I think it fly. You know, fly. Radar. That's escort, right? Radio detector.
Yeah.
Radio detector. They said, somebody said, no, that's not radio detector. That's radar. That's the same. Radio detector and radar, right?
It's a radar detector on what?
Radar.
Radar, yeah.
But it's the same when you call it radio detector.
Yeah, it detects radar.
So I am right. Radio detector. Let's go down. That's scary. That's too close. I like to drive this truck. I used to drive this truck, right? We are right turn. Oh, it's raining. That pond there, Daddy, is a lot of fish. There is a pond there.
Don't know. How would I know?
So we can have also a small pond, then put fish in it.
Where?
Tilapia
Where?
in the river.
Where you go put a pond?
To put tilapia in it.
Where you go put a pond?
In the backyard.
And then when it floods, it all swim away. I think you smart of an idea.
No, he is in the side there, where I always put my garden.
At the front?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Mosquito, I think mosquito was it,
Mosquitoes,
right?
you got foundation too close.
What did you put that underneath that the when you make a small, what do you call that?
Pond?
Small swimming pool. What you gonna put underneath?
Oh, well, you put sand there so you don't get a hole if it's a vinyl swimming pool. You gotta put sand around.
What is that? A plastic, black plastic then?
That's what
That
it
the
is.
thick one.
That's a plastic.
What is that? To hold the water?
Yeah.
We are in the 412. That's 412. Oh. You're in the other
It's clear.
side.
Are they all on the other side?
No, you are. There's another one car coming. Okay, you're right. You're. Why you did not get your headphones, mom?
Oh, I'm tired. Sorry.
Did you go to the house, huh? Oh, the bill of the trailer?
No, just the office.
Did you pay already, Aaron?
I got it in my back.
Are you gonna pay him, ma'am?
Back pocket. Envelopes for him and Jordan.
Jordan. That's good that Jordan's working. So I'm sure he's gonna happy with the dog.
I think so.
Yeah. He got the
If he don't,
script it done.
yeah. Huh?
The windshield
Oh, it's good though.
wiper.
It's on time.
Oh, why it takes so long? It doesn't wipe now. So from Jackson to River is exactly 1 hour, right? Or 56
Hour, 5 minutes.
hour plus? Oh, I thought it's not reach hour.
Huh?
I thought it's not reach hour.
It could be done a little. It could be done in an hour if you drive fast enough.
See, I like the road. You see when you see all the trees in the middle, then road in the middle, like the thing. Nice, right?
I guess.
What?
I was gonna say.
No.
The bypass around there is how it seems longer going through town.
The bypass?
Yeah, you know that.
Oh, that thing.
Yeah.
But before when we go there there is an accident, and then there is like a storage building. Is that storage?
I don't remember.
Yeah, storage building. Oh, yeah, that all like trailer.
What's the temperature gonna be?
I think the temperature today is 50. Oh no, 65. It's not totally cold. I forget when I come to the office, when I open the thing there, it's so cold. The room was so cold. So I put the heater up all the way to the, you know, the thing, and I forgot to return it back. Yeah, and then there is a customer come, and then I can tell he feel hot, you know, something, and I said, sir, excuse me, are you hot? And he said, yeah. I said, I'm sorry, I forgot to put it down. They're both laughing. I put the heater all the way because and I forgot to put it down. You know, when I come to the office, when I open it, it's too cold early in the morning, and then the heater I put it up all the, you know, and it's too hot there. But do you know that in Barnes' office was still cold? Why? Why that area there? That storage out, that stock room there before, right? That's your stock room there before.
Yeah, but we didn't worry about heat then. I think we may have covered up the vent is all.
Yeah, it's too cold in there. And no matter what you're gonna put heat on it, that's still cold. He's always wearing a jacket there.
His vent maybe shut off. I don't know.
Cold. And I said, your room here, sir, is so cold. So yeah, I can tell. That's why I always wear a jacket. Gosh, that's so cold.
Did you call me? Did you call me? Yeah. Oh, I was just.
Still, you are still in the.
By the way, I might accidentally lag out of the call because I'm on the road.
Yeah, you're still driving.
You're gonna lose signal there.
You're gonna lose signal
Yeah,
a
I
little
just
bit.
was. And you called me. I accidentally swiped out of the call. That's why I joined in late because I was in a fight. And then. How much have you grinded? I mean, I have I have $2,000 right now. You have $2,000.
2,000.
And I'm
That's
right
a
now
lot,
I'm cranking on kids. Also, you kind of messed up my grind. I was just on a battle.
You can see it, Daddy. Sorry.
You called me and kind of messed up. Kids always kick. Kicking is the one of the best ways to fight. Kicking just gets 12.
Okay, so you didn't grind that much?
No, I sweated on kids mostly.
I'm $7,000 right now.
I know.
$7,000.
7,000. What you think you're gonna get?
I'm saving up for Rogue right now.
Don't get Rogue. Rogue's actually kind of bad though. Oh my God, there's 2 kids. Hey, can you get some of these kids off of me? They're double teaming.
I mean, down now.
Honestly.
Yeah.
Like, this rainbow dude, get him off of me. I was fighting the other dude. Hey, can you fight this rainbow dude for me? Because he's actually kind of being annoying. Literally, I was fighting the other dude and he came in and stopped our fight. That's my kill right there. Hey, that's how it was, bro. I told you to get rid of the rainbow. Get rid of this dude, not him. Like, bro, you're
The thing was nice,
you're doing it
right?
wrong.
If the
Do your
trees
job
no
wrong.
no
Do your
leaves,
job right.
it's nice to look.
Do your job right.
Do you want to drop right now? Oh, you're saving up for Bandit?
Why, man?
Bandit's not that bad. Actually, I've seen a lot of people use it. Bandit's not actually that bad. I thought it was bad as a YouTuber that I watched said it was bad. I thought it was real bad.
Yeah, because he has no skill.
I've seen people use it.
Yeah, that's called a skill issue, buddy. It's a skill issue there.
Yeah, Bandit's actually pretty good.
I'm not trying to get in the...
I lost my connection in there. Return it. Coming back. See? You're coming back.
Yeah, but the people, I can only hear him. And he's now lagging out, too.
Yeah. you're gonna lose the connection a little bit. You're still driving.
Bro, this guy doesn't even have 100% checking what's going on with traffic.
And I'm trying to hit it. I'm trying to kill a guy that's 200 right now on the trampoline.
Gotcha. Well, how did you hit me?
Hey, bro, I gotta go.
Oh, this is goes to Iron, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to the Walmart first.
Hi. You wanna join me?
Huh?
You wanna join me?
What you playing?
Garage House Smash, the game Super Smash Bros.
Wanna play
There's a lot of school bus.
I kinda wanted to play that because I was cranking on kids.
Why most of the school bus have almost all the same color, Daddy? That except the county.
Oh, that's the standard yellow.
Or,
That way you
What
know
do
it's
you-
a school bus.
well, what
So,
do you wanna play?
So except the school name.
Huh?
I
You
guess
put
we can play
all
Block
school
Hunter.
name.
just come to second seat. Just join me.
Oh, I second seat.
No, I just like bounty hunting in that.
Oh yeah, it's also a good point for me.
It's
'Cause
also more chill than the third seat.
yeah,
6.2 million bounty?
bruh, usually sometimes I come back to second seat a bounty hunt because you know I'm kind of low level and kind of new to third seat.
I hope we got the grand. Oh,
Hey bro, I might lose connection.
you lost the connection already. It's out.
It's working now.
No connection here.
It's working.
It's gonna come back there, and Daddy is going to Walmart. We're gonna wait in the car. Okay. Okay, boy. That. There's a cemetery there.
Oh my god, I got the 7.5 million bounty.
Oh yeah, I might lag out because I'm on the road.
Should be okay for about 5 minutes.
But hey bro, if I lag out, will you be on at like 5?
Yeah, I'll be on like around that time.
Gross.
Honestly, I'm just gonna go play Project Smash.
Bro, you're gonna leave Block Truth? I just joined you.
There's a lot of water.
Huh? Yeah, it is
Play
fun.
Project Smash and go inside of that little area.
Oh, what? Oh, the bar? The little bar place?
Yeah, that little area that we were in that one time, where you got to like 300%.
Yeah. I call that the bar because it looks like one. My game is actually lagging right now. Really bad. Can you join me? Because if I join you, there's going to be a, what is it called again? There's going to be PC players.
This is a traffic here.
Hey, bro.
This. How do you lose it?
Hey, hello?
I'll join you.
Wait.
I know, I'll join you.
Give me a sec. My game's actually lagging right now. There we go. I'm joining a server.
You gonna put gas to Daddy?
Yeah. We're about to come back.
Yeah.
Just get up Sunday morning, get dressed, and go to the house.
I don't think it matters what platform you get on. I think if I get on a thing on PC, it'll have mobile players. Like, I don't think it matters.
No, my friend, he joined the server and I joined
I go
him.
to the bar.
But wait. Server server, I joined him, and I got sweated on by PC players.
Do I can go pee
But
daddy?
then my
Yeah.
friend joined
Where
me,
is their
and then
restroom?
the people started
I'm going
playing
now.
like I did. So I actually had fun and stand the chance.
Good, Mommy. Put this one there, okay?
Where you at?
Stay
Hey, bro.
there.
Hey, bro.
I'm at the bar.
I've been here, and you're not here.
What?
You're not here. Oh, there you are.
Oh shoot, I just saw you.
I don't see it.
Wait,
Here, Mommy, here, put that here.
it's fine. Hey, give me a sec. Wait, why are you lagging? Or am I lagging?
You're the one who's lagging.
Then why did
What?
why did you just kill me?
Are you lagging that bad?
Yes. That bad. It's literally a whole thunderstorm in my area. And I'm on the road, which makes matters worse. Why am I flying? Okay, my game's broke. Oh, hello? Did I lose you? You still there? Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think my game's not lagging as hard now. I'm back at the bar. Or on top of the bar, at least. Where are you? I'm in the bar. Where are you? Are you gonna fight?
Yeah, right now.
You want me to come back you up? And actually, I'm gonna go fight down here because there's a guy at 100 and I kind of want to kill him. He's easy. Okay, wait. Right now there's a combo. Smack. Geez, there's a bunch of people that are high in the server, and that's good. Bro! Oh my god! Kids are so annoying. Bro, why are you coming after me? I hate this! Like, what you mean he teleports? Bruh,
Nah, bro, yeah, is crazy.
this kid teleported behind me. Bro, help me! Help! What? He's hitting me from so far away! What? Hello? Hello? Ugh. I quit. I'm just getting kids free money.
Dude, I hate these third parties.
Exactly, I hate it and I'm lagging, which makes matters even worse. Because guess what? I'm dead and I'm somehow not a dead. I'm just falling forever. I'm falling in the void.
That means that you're laggy.
I know that. I've been lagging and I got a hole in my pants.
What?
I said I had a hole in my pants.
Aray,
Oh, I just lagged out of the game.
you want where is that charger, Mommy? Charger. The thing. There's another radio detector here. So how
I got a
many?
hole in my pants, got a hole in my pants. Hey bro, I can't join, I'm gonna lag out.
How do you get a hole in your pants?
Huh?
Boy, why you tell
How do
me?
you get a
No.
You silly.
All that PE, I got hit, and the teacher told us to sit down if we got hit until someone comes to revive us. So I sat down, and then I just heard a rip. It's like a chainsaw.
You silly kid.
It went.
You don't need to tell. You don't need to tell them.
Like a chainsaw. It's like a chainsaw.
What do you want to do with his bag?
Huh? I'll give it to me. I told him.
I like biting.
Put it here.
Rawr. Why do they have a dragon?
Let me see.
Are tomatoes all bad, Mommy?
I bring some,
Are they good?
but I think it's still okay. The other, but if you want buy one, just buy one. I have. I think the other tomato is good for the salad.
Rain.
It's heavy rain.
Yeah, it is.
You have umbrella there, Daddy. You want hat? Oh,
No.
you can use this. We are in Walmart. You're gonna park there? Yeah, everybody park here. Why they're parking here?
Won't be rained on.
Uh,
That's the key to get them.
you don't want jacket?
I have a whole box and all
Why?
my-
Why you need to tell? Don't keep on thing that one so that it doesn't.
They're itchy. If it's itchy, it's itchy. Mom, if it's itchy, it's itchy.
It's pouring rain, heavy rain.
Your mom.
Wait, I have a pizza.
My dad.
What did you eat in school today for lunch?
Taco.
Taco.
Taco barato.
What did in the taco?
Meat.
What meat?
Cheese.
Cheese and what?
Salad.
Salad.
Or that green stuffy.
Okay, I'm going to stop. Bye bye. I have 27.